great resource for you to see all the TEKS for various grade levels, the rating and supporting, and to get a good idea of released test items. So at the top, if you type in leadforward.com, you'll come to this homepage. Go up here to resources, click that. Within resources, you'll see a variety of things for all the grade levels possible. Once the page loads, you'll come to Lead Forward. Here you can go on the left side for all the columns and be looking at the grade level you're going to want to see. Kindergarten, Spanish, grade 1, Spanish, and so forth. The snapshots where it says math actually take you to the TEKS for that grade level, readiness and supporting. So let's click that to get a good idea of the TEKS in that grade level. The snapshots we refer to often because they show in 2 different columns and the 4 different categories. So we see readiness, supporting, and then for the various columns we see fractions and such, multiplication, division, and everything like that. At the very top, you'll also notice we have mathematical process standards. These are the same for every grade level K through 12. So 3.1a, 3.1b, 3.1c. If you go a little further down, you'll see 3.4, 3.5. Those are the topics. And at the very bottom, the ways to show 3.1d, 3.1e, 3.1f, 3.1g. This is going to be important to know for your deconstruction activity as it asks you about the process standards. And we can see here for financial literacy, there are no readiness, but there are supporting. For data analysis for 3rd grade, there is 1 readiness and 1 supporting, and so on. Let's go back to the main page of Lead Forward so we can then show you how to go to the assessment items. So again, from the home page, we're going to go again to resources. And then at the very top, we're going to go to Released Item Analysis Tool, the IQ. Now this only works for grades 3 and up because they are STAR tested. So if you're a grade 2 or below, you're going to have to use your expertise, DOLs found in the curriculum, or activities found in your teacher edition hard books. But click that, and then within there you have to navigate a little bit to find the actual released items for the TEKS that you want. Now remember, this is for grades 3 and up. So from this page, you're going to select your content area, filter, TEKS clusters, and so on. So we're in math, and then we're in 3rd grade math. And TEKS clusters, subclusters, or student expectations. For me, student expectations is the easiest because it shows me all of the TEKS for that grade level. And then from here, you can pick the TEK that you're working on and you want to see. Now remember, on the previous page, you saw readiness and supporting. Readiness tends to be the column of TEK, the type of TEK that we focus mostly on. But for many grades, the supportings are just as important. So you can pick any TEK that you like and then see the released test items for that TEK. Let's go ahead and pick 3.4K. And then next. And then here you can pick all the years that the TEKs have been taught or assessed with STAR, except for last year because we didn't have a test. It's easiest for me to select all because I get a wider variety of TEK-based standards, activities, and assessment items. And then so here we go. We can look down, go a little further. So for our TEK, we have 3.4K right here. So in 2015, there was no TEK. We go down a little further. We see that this TEK was asked right here. We see it's just a question. We go a little further, see another question. This one has some differences. Go a little further down, another question, another question. This is an open-ended response question. You can see the variety of ways that this TEK had been assessed from the states. So when you're doing your activity, you can take a screenshot of this or copy and paste this into the boxes as types of assessment items that you like. Going forward, it's going to be great for you in class because it can tell you what item was asked and answered correctly, and how many kids asked that one. So if you're doing some item analysis, you can see and be thinking with your groups, well, if 10 of these kids picked this answer but got it wrong, why did they get that answer wrong? Was it guessing, careless, stopped, mixed up? And this can be a great tool to help you build those objectives in class and to further your instruction. So again, this is Leap Forward, and you go to the IQ question analysis.